Screen was static winter gray when OG Barb's video detonated like a West Side car alarm. She didn't walk on camera, she welded herself to it. Chicago wind howled through my speakers as her steel-toe boots cracked frozen pavement into a runway. Those eyes weren't posing. They were blueprints for demolition. She moved with the precision of a bridge girder, every step sparking against concrete, every turn bending light like rebar. OG spoke about shooting under the L tracks at midnight where train screams timed her poses and alleyway murals bled neon onto her silhouette. Her voice was gravel and gasoline, a city symphony tuned to sirens and survival. When she snapped her fingers, the studio lights turned to liquid steel. Shadows fled like rats before a blowtorch. By the final frame, I wasn't watching a model. I was seeing skyscrapers tremble. OG Barb didn't drop a video. She poured concrete. Fashion just got rebuilt. Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll, stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.